Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you the stuff I got from Miniso. So it is probably going to be one of my favorite vlogs, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my cute doodle. His name is Doodle, and it wears hoodie sometimes. Like in winters, I ask him to wear the hoodie, and in summers, I remove that. And it is so cute. I am in love with this doggo, and it has a cute tail. So this is the first thing I got from Miniso. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is this folder, and it says if nothing goes right, go left. So, and it doesn't have all these stickers on top of it. I just added them. I don't know if I decorated this or ruined this, but I did this. So it has this thing, and it opens, and it's a very cute folder. I don't use it as a folder. I just keep it for the decoration purpose on top of my study table. Okay, so the next thing I got from Miniso is this Miniso sticky pads, and they are so cute. I just use them a lot, and it comes with the other extra tape roll and this one, and I use them a lot, I told you, and this is not even half finished. So the next thing I'm going to show you is my coconut lime candles, and these candles, they smell so good. Its fragrance is too good, and it was in a box like this, and I got 3 of them in this. I haven't used one of that, and these 2 I have used a lot, and I still have one of this with me, and its fragrance is good. You can also get it at some other fragrances. So this is the scented candle. Okay, so the next thing I got is these highlighters, and they are so cute, but they are not that useful. They are very light, and you have to drag this 2 or 3 times to get the effect of this. So these highlighters, they were super cute, and I got it from Miniso. Okay, so the next one is these compressed masks, and I just got this recently, and this is very useful in summers when your skin is dehydrated. You can just put this. I just used one of it, and it was too good, and you can just put it in some liquid, and it will open up, and you can use it. It will open up like this, and you can just apply it on your face, and it gives your face the hydrating effect. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is this lens box, and it is pretty cute and pink in color. So I got this pink one, and it has these 2, you can say stencils or whatever, in here, and you can just remove your lenses with this one and apply it with this one. I don't use them unless I have nail extensions on. So let's get to the next one. So the next thing I got from Miniso is this cute organizer, and in this organizer I keep my rubber band. It looks like a mini drawer, and it is cute. Okay, I keep my rubber bands in this one. The next product I'm going to show you is this cotton pads organizer, and I didn't get cotton pads, and I was supposed to add those round shaped ones, but I got these rectangular ones. It is fiber cosmetic pads, that too from Miniso, and I added them in this, and they look cute, and they are very helpful while you are applying makeup, or you just need a tissue to wipe off something, like you are applying lenses and the solution is over your face, so you can just wipe it off with these tissues. Next thing I'm going to show you is these small facial tissues, and I carry them with me everywhere, and I just love them. They are the best thing I get from Miniso because you get it in a packet of like 12. You get them 12, and I keep them in this Nykaa box I got from Nykaa. I thought, why to throw this box when I can use it as my organizer. So I keep them and I carry them everywhere I go. So the next thing I got from Miniso is this diffuser in flavor vanilla latte, and once the oil in this is finished, you can even refill it because refillers are also available. So its fragrance, it lasted for like 2 weeks, and then I got a refiller. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked watching my video. Bye.